Bonjour, bonjour. Alright, so you might not like your cart icon, you might think it's ugly and you want another one. I will show you in this video exactly how to do it. The first step we're going to do is we're going to go to our Shopify store, obviously the backend, and we're going to click Online Store. Once we've done that, you have the theme you want to be working on. Do not work on that theme. As I say in each of my videos, go to Action and duplicate it. That way, if you make a mistake and you mess up in the code, you're not messing up your original theme and you can just remove the duplicate and start from there. Otherwise, you're going to mess up your actual code and it's going to cost you a fortune to change. Throughout this video, I'm going to be copy pasting some code. At the end of the video, I'll give you the exact place where you can get that code for free so you don't have to freeze the image, push pause, and type the entire code over. No worries about that. Alright, once it is duplicated, we go to Action on the duplicate theme and we go to Edit Code right here. Right here on the left, we're going to go to Snippets. Right here. Snippets are pieces of code that you reuse everywhere on your website. For example, the footer or the card icon. And we're going to look for something in the lines of card icon. Oh, right here we have icon.cart. We open that. So we're going to select all of this. And we're going to remove it. There we go. So now that file is empty. But we're not going to do just that. We're going to add new things as well. And the easiest way to find a new card icon is to go to this website. I'll link it down below. And you got a whole bunch of free card icons right here. So just pick one, this one, embed URL, paste this fragment. So we copy to clipboard. We go back to our site and we paste it. Save. That's pretty easy. So let's see how it currently looks. Online Store, Preview. Oh, that's a little bit too big now, isn't it? Let's resize that so that it's the right size. So we're going to go back to Online Store. This is the version we're working on. So we do Edit Code. Now we're going to go to the Assets directory at the very bottom right here. And then we're going to look for something like theme.css. This one right here. It should be a ginormous file. I think there's 8,000 lines of code in here. Yep, that's about right. There we go. With you, it might be different. It might be 20,000. It might be 5,000. I don't know all of your themes by heart. At the very end of this code, we're going to paste the following piece of code. So we're going to do enter a couple of times. We're going to paste. And basically this says that the site header underscore cart image should have a width of 25 pixels and a height of 25 pixels. You can also put percentage signs so that it's more, it works better on mobile. It's kind of up to you. You can change this to whatever you want, to 15 pixels, 25. You can play around with it like you want it to. You can click on save once that is done. And let's see here, that's our preview file. And there we go, it's much smaller now. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. In the link down below, you will find the code that I've just pasted so you don't have to go around and search it. And right below that, we have partnered with a coach. Basically, this is a fantastic marketing agency that, if you always wanted a mentor, you can just sign up for their master class and they will mentor you out throughout the growth of your Shopify store. It's really fantastic. Some of our advanced Shopify stores actually went through that program and now they became our clients. So yeah, it's really great. If you want to grow from zero to hero, make sure to check them out and you'll help out the channel as well. Also, make sure to check out all the other dev videos. Thank you very much. Ciao.